Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So, it's been busy. I tell you what, I've been hammering on this snowplow truck, on my rust bucket build from Mars's channel, and I wanted to get it finished up. We are heading down to the Acme show down in Georgia. So that should be a good time. Never been, so really looking forward to this. And I really wanted to take this truck with me. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek of this thing. I think it turned out pretty good, and kind of show you where we're at. So there's going to be a lot of upcoming videos coming up, just with my busy schedule I've had going on. And the week before prior, I don't know what, I got sick. I don't know what it was. I don't know if this was the Rona or whatever. I don't know what I had. Anyways, I was down and out for almost a week. I didn't come out here for a week, so I really put behind schedule. But anyways, things are good, up and running. Like I said, I just hammered down on this thing. So I've had no time to make videos or YouTube of any sort, just because I wanted to get this guy done to go down there. So that's what we're doing. So other than that, I'm going to take you over to the bench, give you a sneak peek of the truck here. And like I said, there's many videos coming up on how I built the truck and a lot of the things I did to it. Some more in-depth stuff, obviously, in the video, to go that route. I think it turned out pretty cool. So I'm happy with it. I maybe could have been different, a few things, but all in all, I'm okay with it. I'd like to say time was more of a factor for me at this point. So there's a lot of late nights trying to get it done. But it's done. It's good to go. We're ready. So I'm getting some cases ready for the show. I'm getting them packed up, ready to go, and all that good stuff. But I'm going to take you over the bench, and I'm going to show you what we're taking down to the show, and see, I'm not looking to get anything out of them or whatnot. I just want to show some of the work off. You know what I mean? Most of these kits, actually all of these models I've built is everything that I've built on the channel. They're none of my older kits that I've done years ago. So every kit that's on here, you will, if you were down at the show, these are all models that I have built on the YouTube channel. So I guess if you've watched the channel before and you've seen some of these builds, now you can kind of see it in person. So things are always a little different sometimes in person than watching on a video, you know what I mean? Anyways, let's go to the bench and let's take a look and see what we're taking with us. And I'll give you this little sneak peek of the snowplow. Kind of let the cat out of the bag, so to speak, before the videos all show up. I think last video I put out was the, I think it was the blade, I think. So we've made some progress since then, I'll tell you that much. So yeah, she turned out pretty cool, and let's take a look. All right, guys, so this is the group we're going to take down. I don't think I'm going to take any more than this. I may not take all of them. I'm going to see. So I'll give you a little glimpse of the snowplow. Like I say, we'll look at that in a few more minutes, a little close. So snowplow is going to go down. We're going to take Mr. Boss 351. That was a recent build. And we're also going to take our new release Bronco. So he's heading down. And we're going to take the 69 Cougar. That one's going to go as well. So I decided, I'm still on the fence with it. It may go, it may not. The Coronet. I don't know why. I just like the way that turned out. I like the color of it. You know what, guys? I know it's an RT and it's not supposed to have the Super B stripe on the back, but I like the Super B stripe. It's my model. I figure, hey, I like the looks of it. The interior turned out nice in that car, so it's one of those, I want to take it down just to show, that kind of stuff. I'm going to take my USACC Plymouth down, my Roadrunner. And in the back row, we're taking the 87 Monogram Turbo Coupe. And we are taking the 5.0 drag car. I turned mine more into a factory runner. And we're taking the 64 Falcon down. And also I'm taking my Scale Build a Gentleman's truck. It's just kind of something unique, so I'm taking that down as well. So this is the group so far that's going to go. Like I say, it may change as things roll. I'm not 100%, but so far this is the group. Other than that, let's take a little closer look at the snowplow. Hold on, let me clear these out of the way. Okay, guys, so a little shot of the snowplow. Like I said, I think that turned out pretty cool. So I blackened the grill. So I did some gloss, flat black, or some gloss, and then some flat treatment on the paint, like the clear coat's chipping. cracked the windshield. And like I say, we rusted her up pretty good. Took the heat gun, did some damage to it. So I took and made a custom piece for the back here. I put a custom bumper on it, made a ball and a little Reese hitch on the back. So it turned out pretty good, and it was leftover chain from the snowplow, so I thought, you know, that looked pretty neat putting that in there. So I had my extra trim there. Like I say, I'll show you in the video, guys, how I did some of this stuff. So it turned out pretty cool. Yeah, so this turned out really neat. I made some pretty neat looking antennas in the back here with some coil springs on the bottom. You know, the old fiberglass antennas you used to have back in the day. So that's what we threw on there. Just get a little blurry on me here. So on that, guys, that's a snowplow for right now. And like I say, I'll give you a little more in-depth when the videos come out, which will probably be after we get back from the Acme show. And we'll go from there. So far, that is the snowplow. Like I say, that bad boy turned out pretty cool. Pretty happy with it. You can get some janky exhaust on it. I don't know if I'll focus on that or not. Maybe a little bit. So yeah, so pretty cool. Alright guys, so we're going to get these bad boys boxed up and get everything ready to go. So like I say, we're running each other at the show. Stop and say hi. I like to chit chat, and let's talk some models. So once again, I appreciate you guys tuning in and checking out the channel. And we will see you on the next video. You guys have a good one, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.